This is INIU's super slim 10,000 milliampere power bank. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look because it is amazing and so slim. You turn it on here and you'll get that lit up cute little paw print that shows you how much battery you have. It kind of reduces a paw print of light as you're losing power. There is a detachable lanyard here, so you can remove it if you want, but I don't recommend that because this right here is your USB-C to USB-C charging cord. So you're gonna use that to power this up. When you're charging this, you've got 27 watt input. And then when you use this to charge a phone, you're gonna get maximum 45 watts output. Really incredible because this is 10,000 milliamperes. It's gonna charge an iPhone 16 twice. It is not magnetic, it is wired. And it comes with this one. It's got 2 slots for USB-C and 1 for USB-A. So you can charge up to 3 devices on this. The output will be reduced per device as you add more though. So keep that in mind. And if you're using your own cords, they may reduce it as well. This one can handle 45 watts. So whatever you're putting in here, just make sure that can handle it as well, or it's gonna reduce your output. If you have an older iPhone, for example, iPhone 14 or 13, that takes the Apple cord, you're gonna have to provide your own and then use this slot or this one, depending on your plug. Double tap here, watch what happens. Haha, it's even got a little flashlight. That's really handy as well. And then to charge, plug it into your phone, Apple, Android, or whatever. It's not magnetic, as I said, but you can keep it charged while you're using the phone. You just have to kind of hold it there. But you can, for example, be texting if you're holding it. You can hold it and film and take pictures. Just really, really handy device. And then when you're done, unplug it, and then you don't want to lose the cord, so we're just going to go ahead and pop it back in there, and now you are good to go. Throw it in a bag. It is super lightweight, 6.5 ounces. It is tiny, pocket friendly, a must for travelers and content creators, people who like to reduce their anxiety about running out of juice on their phone, like me. I love it, and I know you will too.